How to create poll on Facebook. Welcome to Resize Facebook tutorial on how to create different type of polls on Facebook. Before we jump into the steps, I would like to tell you that Facebook has removed the option to create polls on Facebook posts, but you still can create polls on Facebook groups, stories and events. If you want to create polls on Facebook group, all you have to do is click on three horizontal lines over your profile picture. Now click on groups at the left sidebar. Go to any group you are part of and click on write something. I would write, is this video tutorial helpful? Now click on three dots and select poll. And in options, I would write yes and no. So, if you do not want to disclose the profile name to other group members, you can simply turn on the post anonymously button at the top of the post and your identity will be hidden for that post and you will appear as anonymous participant. So, you have learned how to create poll in Facebook groups and now let's learn how to create poll on Facebook story. To create poll on Facebook story is very similar to groups. All you have to do is click on create story button on your Facebook home screen. You will have various options there. I select picture. Click on stickers. Now click on poll button. Now write your question along with its option. Let's write, are you happy? And in options, I write yes and no. And click share button. By the way, you can also resize the text as you desire, like you zoom in or zoom out. And if you want to delete the poll from Facebook story, simply drag the poll options to bottom and bin will appear. This is how you can easily create polls on Facebook. If this video helped you, please like, comment and do not forget to subscribe Geek's YouTube channel. It really keeps me motivated to create for more awesome tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Bye bye.